Yeah, you should.
Alright guys, so today I'm actually here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. This is the 2022 SEMA show. And we have a West Convention Center, we have a North and a Central. So we're just getting started. There's tons of cool kick-ass cars. So today we're gonna pretty much spend all day here. And the event starts from 7 to 4. Then there is a night show called a night, and that's from like 4 to 10. This is where everybody brings out all their cars. But we got to go down to the West Hall to actually get our tickets so that way we can get inside. I'm not really into cars and spending money on cars, but I can tell you, this thing is probably at least $150,000 with all this. Alright, so this is actually the West Hall right here. So basically registration is right here, and the line literally goes all the way back here. Oh look, they got some gear stuff here too. Now, I've been to this convention a couple of times, or I'm sorry, the convention center, but since they built the West Convention Center here, I've never been here. Oh look, you should take a picture right there with the SEMA. Wow, look how far this thing is going back. Where's the end of this thing?
Way back.
Has this line been moving?
It moves,
okay.
It moves, it really moves, but then you stand.
All right, thank you. Oh my gosh, this line is literally like super long right now. Say what's up to everybody.
What's up, man? From Hawaii. What's up, man?
Oh!
All the time. Simply Vegas, baby.
Thank you, appreciate you. So it looks like we had a super fan, so quick shout out from Hawaii. Showing much love, really do appreciate it. Again, look how long this line is. Okay, man, I think this line has to be at least a half a mile.
Oh, man.
So we're at the end of the line. Finally made it. It's crazy. It's actually 10 o'clock right now. We're gonna find out how long it takes us to actually get to registration.
Baking soda on grease.
Alright, so we pretty much almost made it to the registration, and it is 11:15 right now. So we've been in this line for an hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna say probably about an hour and 30 minutes by the time we actually get our registration in. Isn't this crazy? Alright, so we just finally got out of this registration line. It literally now took us literally 1 hour and 30 minutes, believe it or not. So we got our badge, and we also got a lanyard, whatever, however you pronounce it, just let me know. So we just came into the West Convention Center, the hall. So here it looks like they sell like, you know, accessories and parts for all kind of items for vehicles. But take a look at this truck right here. I think I'm pretty much done with my Jeep. No more Jeeps after this. This is amazing what these vendors do. I mean, they got the truck, they got the sandbox, they got the screen. I mean, these Broncos are, I mean, pretty cool actually. I never was really into like Broncos, but so this is a 500 Baja Bronco, where it was actually built in 1975. It's actually the last year. Only 30 were made. There's only 30 of these are made. It's like a special edition, I guess.
Can you imagine what the value of this is?
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah, because look,
Bro, this is ridiculous.
it's a Baja one.
This is only 30.
Hey,
Yeah.
so look, it's a Baja.
Only 30 were actually made.
The Baja one.
Owner is Jimmy Pearson. Now, Jessica and I always wanted to get one of this. Well, not Jessica, but myself. Take a look at this right here. A lot of people here are very cool, very considerate. Everybody's polite. The car culture here is like unbelievable. Look at this GT right here. Got another Huracan. Oh, this is a 911, it looks like.
I've been waiting for this one. You're gonna catch one right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, so check this out. We were just walking by.
No, you go.
This gentleman was like, hey, I'll print this for you. That is cool.
Wow.
You know what? Hey, we're gonna junk in a poll on this right now.
Huh?
Junk in a poll. Who gets this? No, he's like, no, I waited too long.
Give me a few minutes, I'll print you on another one right now.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, real quick. Thank you. You want the green or purple?
You know what? Let's do a green one. Let's do a green one. Something different. So this gentleman, Michael, right here, he was nice enough. We walked by. He said, "Hey, do you want this poster?" So he's gonna print out this poster for us, which is really cool. How long does it normally take to print out like one of these wraps?
Full wrap?
Yeah.
8-9 hours.
Okay.
Give or take. You know, I mean, it's a lot. It depends on the quality too. So it's one full piece that they print out.
Okay.
And then when they done inside, it looks like that. So I mean, something like that, you're looking at maybe a few hours for it to print. So you let it print, and then you let it degas or outgas for about 24 hours. This is eco-solvent, but I mean, it's good to let outgas for anything out. And then you laminate it once you ask it. If you don't laminate it, it's very soft and material.
And what's the life expectancy for something like this?
Now feel the difference.
Oh yeah.
See how it doesn't fall, like it's more rigid.
Yeah.
Life expectancy is like 3 to 5 years, give or take. It really all depends on the region you live in. You know, we live in Arizona, so you're probably 3-4 years. But he, that's garage kept, so that'll be on the longer side.
Okay.
You know, so. Awesome, brother.
Oh,
Michael.
man, hey, thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Anytime, brother. Appreciate
So
you
if
doing
somebody wants one of your products and machines, what's the best place?
that. Yeah, muto.com, MUTOH.com. So
And make sure to reach on out to Michael. He's a cool dude, bro.
appreciate it, man.
All right, man. Appreciate you.
See ya.
So we just got done with the West Hall. Now we're gonna head over to the North Hall and the Central Hall. And basically that's where all the cars are gonna be at. So hopefully they got some dope ass rides. this, a 44-inch lift. Oh, I always wanted one of those. Alright guys, believe it or not, today's my birthday. If you guys want to get me one of this, I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
They're a little bigger.
Alright, try to get it one more time. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Oh! Oh, here's all the real cars. Yeah. Oh, look at this McLaren. Damn. Aventador SVJ.
But this is one of our style mirrors.
All right, so it's about 2:26 right now, and the night show starts off at 4 o'clock. But as you can see, the bleachers are starting to get filled already. So I think this is a pretty good spot. We'll be able to view everything. So can't wait. But now we gotta sit in the sun.
We got Moss
All right,
Adams
so
out here.
there's
The
a show.
official
We're gonna see if we can be
tabulation.
on the
It's all
show. Behind the scenes.
unbelievably meticulous how this gets broken down. So it's a very, very fair competition. Cody has the envelope. Thank you, sir, very much.
Hopefully I'm on TV.
All right.
All right, Tanner, so thank you everybody for coming out to the 9th annual SEMA Battle of the Builders, and I think everybody's ready to hear who the winner is.
I definitely am. You guys ready?
Oh, we might be on TV there, man.
I see you guys looking over my shoulder. And the winner of the 2022 SEMA Battle of the Builders, powered by Mothers, is Mike Ring in the 1948 Chevy pickup. Nice job, everybody. Amazing machines.
Cheetah, kind of the GM answer to the Cobra. We got a stepped-on Bug following the Cheetah.
Oh, nice Bug.
Heck yeah.
Little brown metal flake, sunroof top.
There we go.
Now, Ken, you know what happens with me and these road dozers, right?
Oh,
I
yeah.
get to a point, they start flashing the lights and hitting that diesel fuel. See?
Yeah. That's when Joe shines. All right, who likes McLarens, especially ones with flowers on them? We've got one. Beautiful car.
Now, he was going to give you a double dose like they were doing at the bar last night, right? He goes up and he goes down. Looking good, brother. How you doing? All right.
I think that drone flew under that truck.
I got to find out the guy who's operating this drone. I got to see what I'm dealing with.
When it came out, because of the opportunities to style these things any way you want, and the aftermarket totally jumped on board, as evidenced by these two different versions, done two different ways, but awesome to personalize.
Okay, but that guy moved next door to me, I would shoot him.
Look at this, throwing the cash.
Look at him. Who are these folks Kevin throwing out cash? I gotta get to know these people. I make like $500 doing this. All right. All right, let's find out who these guys are. Come on over here, roll over here. Paul, get him over there, will you? Do something. Get him over here. He's got his son Jack with him. I want to embarrass him in front of a million people.
Here comes a stretched gladiator, Joe.
I don't see nothing.
We want this event to continue, Joe, so we're gonna have to...
There you go.
chugging 7.3 diesel fumes. There it is.
There, you're a little man. All right, where's this kid? There he is. I got one little one guy. Go on. These things are. All right.
Big Chevy, crab walking.
Kevin, I'm gonna need a sweater.
Sound guy Mike, what's our soundtrack for some of these trucks? Let's hear it. That's the end of the song. Very cool.
Oh, this one is clean.
Freaking crazy.
I love that Bronco right there. Oh, this is pretty cherry too right here. Oh, this is the one that lifts up. It's got the shocks. Ooh, that one's cherry. Oh, here's that, the Pinto. Oh, no! This thing's clean. All right, it's about 6:30 and it is cold right now. I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but back in the 80s in Hawaii, you used to have Toyota trucks with the beds. Just take a look at this. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and show the love and show the support by subscribing to the channel. Peace.